Imagine waking up to find your morning coffee brewed by a robot, and the person who used to take your call orders is now a line of code. In the next few minutes, we'll uncover the first 5 jobs that artificial intelligence is most likely to replace and why you should start preparing today. Stay tuned until the end for a surprising twist. Customer service reps answer phones, chat online, and solve simple problems. AI chatbots can now handle thousands of queries at once, learning from past interactions to improve answers. Because these tasks follow clear scripts, a machine can replace the human voice, reducing costs and response times dramatically. Yet the human empathy factor remains a challenge, meaning some callers still prefer a live person for complex issues. Data entry clerks spend hours copying numbers from paper forms into spreadsheets. Modern OCR and AI can scan documents, recognize handwriting, and automatically populate databases with accuracy above 90%. As the software learns each new format, the need for a human to type each line disappears, freeing staff for higher level analysis. This shift also reduces human error and speeds up reporting for businesses. Retail cashiers scan items, handle payments, and give receipts. Self-checkout kiosks equipped with AI vision can recognize products without barcodes, accept cash, cards, and mobile payments, and even suggest promotions. As these stations become smarter, fewer human cashiers are needed, especially in large supermarkets where speed and convenience dominate the shopping experience. Customers also benefit from shorter lines and personalized offers, making the technology a win-win. Dispatchers coordinate trucks, taxis, and delivery drivers, often using phone calls and spreadsheets. AI routing algorithms now analyze traffic, weather, and demand in real time, automatically assigning jobs to the closest vehicle. This reduces idle time, cuts fuel costs, and improves delivery windows, meaning the human dispatcher role shrinks dramatically as autonomous scheduling takes over. Cities already see smoother logistics thanks to these smart systems. Lawyers spend hours reviewing contracts, searching for risky clauses and inconsistencies. AI-powered language models can scan thousands of pages in seconds, flagging potential problems with a confidence score. While they cannot replace nuanced judgment, they can handle the bulk of routine review, allowing attorneys to focus on strategy and client interaction. The technology also speeds up due diligence, saving firms millions in billable hours. Financial analysts crunch numbers, build forecasts, and recommend investments. Generative AI can ingest market data, generate reports, and simulate scenarios faster than any human. Though interpretation still needs expertise, the routine of data gathering and initial modeling is increasingly automated, meaning entry-level analyst positions may vanish first as AI takes over the groundwork. Companies are already piloting AI-driven insight tools to cut analysis time by half. We've seen how AI can replace cashiers, data clerks, dispatchers, and more, reshaping the job market faster than any previous technology. If you found this insight useful, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for weekly updates on the future of work. The next wave of AI jobs is just around the corner.